The Animated, Visual Roadmap Series. This approach takes the dense, step-by-step nature of the blog post and transforms it into a highly digestible, sequential video experience. Bullseye goal alignment, comprehensiveness and value. Each video segment, or the entire video, covers a major section of the blog post, ensuring all valuable information is present. SEO and ranking. The title, description, and tags should mirror the blog post's target keywords, creating a powerful content synergy that helps both rank higher. Audience, beginners, intermediate. The visual, step-by-step nature of a roadmap is perfect for those needing structured guidance. World map the structure and storytelling approach. The key is to present the guide as a journey or level up path. 1. The hook, the why. Duration: 10 to 20 seconds. Content: don't waste time. Start by showcasing the desired result the audience wants, e.g., tired of guessing? Want a clear path to X success? Visuals: quick cuts of successful outcomes are a graphical representation of a messy process turning into a clean, structured roadmap. Script example: stop spinning your wheels. This is the only 7-step roadmap you'll ever need to master your topic. Let's start with level 1. 2. The introduction and promise, the what. Duration: 30 to 45 seconds. Content: briefly introduce the guide's major sections, the levels, or milestones. Explicitly state what the viewer will have mastered by the end. Visuals: a visually appealing, clean graphic of the entire roadmap or table of contents, highlighting the current section before diving in. The ultimate guide. Connection: briefly mention this as the visual companion to the ultimate guide, driving traffic to the blog. 3. The core content. Sequential chapters, the how approach. Each major H2 heading from your blog post becomes a new chapter segment in the video. Visuals: animated text, graphics. Use screen-recorded examples, animated bullet points, flowcharts, and on-screen text overlays to keep the audience engaged. Avoid talking head for too long. Roadmap indicator: a small graphic in the corner showing you are here, level 3 of 7. B-roll examples: show, don't just tell. If the step is optimize your profile, show an example of a good and bad profile. Pacing: the video pace should be fast enough to respect the viewer's time but slow enough to allow beginners to pause and take notes. 4. The mid-video CTA, soft sell. Placement: just before a complex or critical step,